video, we're gonna be, like I said earlier, we're gonna take out this headlight, change the bulb on this one right here, and change the headlight. So let's get straight to it. Looks like we're gonna have to unscrew that and this one right here to take out the headlight housing and reach that without having to remove any of this. So yep, we already did that one yesterday. Now we're gonna jump on to do this one right here. So as you can see, these are the old light bulbs. I'm not wearing any gloves because I just got out and my car's over there. But ultimately the problem is that every time I was driving at night, I could not see anything. I could probably see 4 feet away from the car, and that was about it. So I decided to change them, and I got new light bulbs instead. So I ended up buying these new H1 SilverStar Ultra with that bulb grease, obviously, because you don't want them curled. Because it was a pain to take these out whenever we were changing them out. But yeah, we got these, and I believe the ones that the car had were the long life Sylvanias. So we're gonna try and see if these are good. These are supposed to be better down road and more clarity. Alright guys, so we took out the one that for the passenger side, as you can see right here, and this is a lot easier to take off compared to this one that was just seized up in there. We're gonna put in the new one and put some bulb grease in it. Remember, wear your gloves because you don't want your finger oils, your skin oils to get on the glass itself of the bulb. If not, you could potentially damage it or make the lifespan of the bulb shorten because of the grease in your hands. The oils that are in your hands are really bad for the bulb, so always wear your gloves. Alright guys, so we have done it now. Like I said, I will be fixing that eventually, but right now it should be nice and tight. You know, just there you go. It's an old car, so I guess it is what it is. It is what it is, but eventually I will fix that, and we'll just keep it going and see what we can do. But yeah, hopefully later tonight we'll see how it looks when, you know, it's nighttime and we can actually see the light. But till then, we did a good job, and that was pretty much it. And we really didn't have to remove anything. We did that, and we're gonna put that down there, and we should be good to go. All right, guys. So this is how the lights look at night. There you go. I am currently in my night class of welding, so bear the noise and just me using my hand to see the thing. As you can see, you can definitely see a lot more better. I don't know about the left side or the right side. For some reason I can't. I don't know if it's just me, but it doesn't look like the right side is bright at all, as you can see right here. And the left side, maybe maybe it's just me, I don't know. Excuse me, I'm so tired. But yeah, these are the new lights. Definitely a big improvement, even if it's just this one light. As you saw in the video earlier, I had issues at right light. So I mean, better. This is way better than the last time. Last time the previous lights I had, you could even see past that white line right there, the first white line. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.